Good morning, friends. This is Advocate Abhilash Thomas, Chief Executive Officer of Indus Viva Health Sciences, Bangalore. See, usually network marketing or multi-level marketing is considered as the most viable alternative for a person to become entrepreneur or a person to earn an additional income without disturbing his current income source. In spite of that, many people have backed out from network marketing or not considering network marketing. One primary reason is the poor sustainability of most of the network marketing companies. One major reason is companies which have been sustaining for a long time, they are reliable companies but not considered as a viable company for the direct sellers. So, direct sellers are the key element of any network marketing companies, but many companies although they are so successful, sustaining for a long time, they are good for the customers, but not for the distributors in between. So, there are so many viable network marketing companies, but the irony is the sustainability of those companies are a major issue. So, it is like the companies are not surviving for a long period, and they are changing the compensation plan as and when they want. These all are putting the people in a very negative foot. So here I am standing here with an explanation that why Indus Viva is different and why Indus Viva is a reliable, at the same time viable, equally reliable and viable opportunity. Why? These are my reasons. Number one, if you look at the history of Indus Viva got established in January 2014. If you look at that particular period of Indian network marketing industry, network marketing business in India has undergone tremendous challenges during that period. Especially when you look at the period like 2011, 2012, 13, 14. So those 3 years, if you look at 11 to 14, those 3 years, network marketing has undergone tremendous challenges. Challenges in the sense when the police was attacking the money chain companies and Ponzi schemes, the money chains and Ponzi schemes, they are prepared to run away. So at that point of time, when the police initiated the action, many money chain companies ran away, but the good companies only came within the vicinity of police and the law enforcement agencies and the media. Because they were not prepared to run, because they thought they are running a genuine business, and they got into trouble. So I am shooting this webinar on 28th on March. Due to Corona, we are not able to do a live, so we are making a pre-recording. So 28th March, if you look at the surroundings, it's a complete lockdown. That was the situation for network marketing during these 3 years. So Indus Viva has taken birth in January 2014, the worst possible period of network marketing in the history of the country. Most of the companies were closing and running away. Media was against, government agencies were, law enforcement agencies were against. At that point of time, Indus Viva has taken birth. One person has told that even the most reputed global companies, their founders wouldn't have considered starting a network marketing company if situation was like this when they started their business. So, if a company has taken birth at that point of time, it is so clear that that company has sufficient immunity to overcome all the odds. Its vision is so clear, and it rightly points out, if you look at the baseline of Indus Viva, that is beyond 21st century, it clearly states that beyond 21st century matlab, it is the next century. We are in the 21st century, year 2020. The year 2200 onwards, the next century starts, the 22nd century starts, means its vision is so clear that this organization should sustain for more than 100 years. More than 100 years, it indirectly says that the whole lifetime or even beyond the lifetime, this company has to be there. That vision itself is an answer. That baseline itself is an answer about the viability, the sustainability, the survivability of this particular organization, which is a major concern for people while choosing network marketing as a career option. Of course, network marketing can be done only as a career option. It cannot be considered as an instant money making program. What do you mean by career? Career is nothing but if I am learning engineering the whole life, I will remain as an engineer. If I am learning medicine, whole life I will be treating people. The same way, career means a program which you can do for the whole life. So here the major issue is, unlike job, you cannot change a network marketing company and jump to another company. In job, from HDFC Bank you can go to ICICI Bank. You will get the same position. You can comfortably move, or you will get a better position, better salary. But when you are changing a network marketing company, it is like a person is changing the religion. His total character is changing. His people cannot accept that. So it is a very, very difficult situation. You will be losing your reputation. So changing network marketing company is not an option at all, especially without a valid reason. So in that situation, I would say associating with the right company is very, very important. So if you look at Indus Viva, why Indus Viva is different from other companies? Because Indus Viva is a fully integrated company. What do you mean by fully integrated company? All the products of Indus Viva are manufactured by Indus Viva. If you look at many network marketing companies, many doesn't have even one single product manufactured by that company. You just take out the product in your hand and check who manufactured that product. You can see the company name which you are talking about, or the company which is giving you the commission is not the one which is manufactured that product. But if you look at Indus Viva, all the products of Indus Viva are manufactured by Indus Viva and not just marketed by Indus Viva. It is all manufactured by Indus Viva. So if you look at many MLM companies, 100% products are manufactured by others. For a few companies, majority of their products are manufactured by others. But very, very few companies can say that all the products are manufactured by the same company. And Indus Viva's all the products are manufactured by Indus Viva, and most importantly, all the products are researched by Indus Viva. All the products are researched by Indus Viva. Our parent companies like Olive Life Sciences or Bioactives, all are one company. So it's like all the products of Indus Viva are manufactured currently by Olive Life Sciences, one of our parent companies, which is going to get an end by this 31st March, and 1st April onwards, all the products will be manufactured by Indus Viva. Another 2-3 years down the line, all the products will be researched by Indus Viva. Now also, it is our group company only researched, not by anybody else. And even all the ingredients are manufactured by us. That is a very important component to ensure the quality of a product. If the right ingredients are not going inside, if the quality of the ingredients are not great, the quality of the product also will suffer. But all the ingredients are manufactured by us. Moving on, for the cultivation for the ingredients to make, you need the raw materials. Raw materials are, it is like the medicinal plants. All the medicinal plants are cultivated by us. So from cultivation to the raw material, to the research and development, manufacturing, marketing, all the 5 things are done by Indus Viva's platform itself. So that way you can say Indus Viva is a fully integrated company. So very few MLM companies are there in the market which are fully integrated. Moving on, if you look at, because of this total control in the production, we are able to manufacture the products with the in the most cost effective manner. That is the reason our products price are constant till date. When we launched in 2014, what was the product price in 2020? Now 6 years have been passed, not even 1 rupee price hike happened with our products. All the products at the time of launching, what was the price? We are able to maintain the same price. Why? Because we have total control over the entire production. When the production is increasing and raw material costs can be further reduced, so that way we are able to beat the inflation and we are able to give our customers without any hike in the product. If you look at petrol price, if you look at vegetable price, if you look at the price of grains, everywhere, home rentals, everything have gone high, but Indus Viva products at the same price. Don't you feel it is really astonishing? That is what it is here. Furthermore, I would say all our products are value for money products. What do you mean by value for money? It is not the price of the product, it is the value of the product. For example, a Mercedes-Benz cannot be expected at the price of a Maruti 800. It doesn't mean all Mercedes buyers are not wise. It is not like that. See, it is the value. Value means a person who is once used Mercedes will be regularly using a Mercedes only. He won't be comfortable in a Maruti car. In the same way, a person who is using an Indus Viva product, first time only our direct seller need to explain about this product and try to sell the product. But the second time onwards, that person will come back to him. He will be asking the product. Our business, the most fascinating thing is our distributors are contacted by the customers. They don't know anything about what kind of company it is. It's a multi-level marketing company. There is a compensation plan. They don't know anything of those things. They just want the product and they are willing to pay the price of it and they are repeatedly using it. So that ensures the product is value for money. And our products are well differentiated products. If you look at our all products, none of these products have a competition from the market. For example, if you look at iPulse, I don't think so there is any viable antioxidant drink available in the market. And iPulse is the undisputed leader of a functional health beverage across the country, not only among the multi-level marketing companies, among all the healthcare companies in the country. And iCharge, energy drink without caffeine and sugar in it, and iCoffee for diabetes benefits. Like that, if you look at all the products are one of a kind. iSlim, it's a fiber bar for dinner replacement and weight loss. iGlow will repair you from inside. So none of these products, these all are well differentiated products. These products, the similar kind of products are not available in the market. So that way, when people need a product like this, they must have to come to an Indus Viva distributor itself. Among the network marketing companies, Indus Viva may be having the smallest range of products, but still our company is doing extremely well because these products have that kind of acceptance in the market. One more proof I can tell, when we launched in 2014, we had only one product, iPulse, only one product with us. Exactly after 1 year only the second product came. Many people told me, Abhilash, you are running a company with one product, so it is very risky. Within 1 year, within less than a year time, your company will collapse, because with one product, how long a company can go? People said, but within 1 year we got flourished. After that only we launched the second product. So with the one product we ran for 1 year, means it's very clear that product had tremendous acceptance in the marketplace. Otherwise, company itself would have been doomed within that 1 year's time. So And if you look at our products, all our products are clinically validated. I mean, scientific studies have been conducted. Whatever claims we are talking about, if you use this product, you will get this X, Y, Z benefits. What all we are talking about, it is not just the testimony of the people. It is actually clinically scientific studies have been conducted. These studies are very expensive studies. These studies have been conducted and it is proved and recognized by the concerned mechanism that these products are really result oriented. So, and our products, all the products have the certificate from the Ayush Department of Ministry of Health. So, our products is another major reason. And if you want to see the power of these products, let me just tell you, today is 28th March 2020. It is full lockdown. But after the lockdown, after the government's declaration of lockdown, we have got 2 Black Diamond ambassadors, 2 executive white diamonds and 2 executive purple diamonds during the lockdown period. You know very well, during the lockdown period, there cannot be any much number of enrollments. It is mostly the business is happening through the repeat orders of the existing customers. So that shows the strength of our product. Black diamond, white diamond, purple diamond are the highest 3 ranks achieved in this company so far. That to 2 each, we got this in this lockdown period. That shows the power of this company's products, nothing else. And if you look at all our products, it is very comfortable for a direct seller while presenting the business plan. You know why? All the products have same maximum retail price, all the products have same distributor price, and all the products have same PV, point value. Otherwise, you need to have a directory with you which has to tell you each product's MRP, each product's DP, each product's PV. That difficulty is not here. It is so business friendly. And you know something, this is really an unbelievable thing. I don't think so. Forget about a network marketing company. No private company in the world would have done it, that a person cannot buy more than 8 products a day. Any private company is here to sell maximum number of products. If you go to an Apple showroom and tell, I need 10 iPhones, they will never ask you, you are one single person, why you need 10? They will give you all the 10. And they will ask, if you want more, we will give you more. But at Indus Viva, you can buy only 8 products a day. It is quite unusual in network marketing. In network marketing, what we used to see a terminology called friend loading. Means a new person, when he got convinced, when he got excited about the business, they will ask him to buy products for 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs and all that. It's a prevailing practice in the industry. He will be buying that. After some time only he will realize, oh, he did a blunder. By the time he will not be able to do anything. But at Indus Viva, a person can buy only 8 products a day. So he cannot buy more than that. So that way it will ensure no distributor's long-term interest is protected. A distributor will not be misutilized by the wrong sellers. So that is, I don't think so any other company in the world is doing this. And our compensation plan, if you look at it, it's a hybrid compensation plan. See, we all know that in the initial stage, sunflower plan is very difficult to build. It will take so much of time to reach a reasonable level of earning 1 lakh rupee in a month. It will take so much of time to reach that level. But that way binary plan is faster. In Indus Viva, if you look at Indus Viva has the advantage of a binary plan in the beginning. And usually binary plans are based on the head counts, the recruitments, but our plan is not like that. It is purely on the volumes, but still it's a 2-leg plan. But after some time it will become a sunflower plan. We know that sunflower plan is good to earn big income. To reach there you need a binary. It is like a satellite launching. To go one level you need a special satellite to take you there, and after that it can fly in its own. So till then a launcher like that, a rocket, is binary plan. So in Viva, we have a binary plan in the phase 1, then after that we will have a sunflower plan in the phase 2. So Indus Viva is a hybrid plan. Beginning it is binary, after that it is sunflower. So it's a perfect blend of these two. So ours is a hybrid plan. The beauty of hybrid plan is unlimited earning potential. You all know that once you reach a Crown Black Diamond Ambassador rank, so you will have a superior pool bonus. You will be able to attain that pool bonus. That pool bonus is an unlimited income. So you will be able to earn unlimited income that will be running in crores of rupees. You will be able to earn once you reach the top rank of this company. Then if you look at our compensation plan is constant. The fine tunings are done, but the basic structure of the compensation plan is remained same in the last 6 years. That is the beauty of this company. When you look at many companies in the marketplace, their compensation plan often changes. So it looks like the person who is associated with the company, one day when the company changes the compensation plan, he may feel he has enrolled with a totally different company. So he may not be able to adapt it. Many may not be able to adapt it. So that used to happen in the industry. But if you look at Indus Viva in the past 6 years, the compensation plan is untouched. So that is a very interesting thing. Because of that only, you can see people, more and more people are considering Indus Viva is a fantastic opportunity for them to build their career. So another interesting thing is the equal opportunity for everyone in Indus Viva. What do you mean by equal opportunity? Here it is because company doesn't have multiple legs in Viva business. Usually every emblem company will have multiple legs, means company itself is having more than one leg. Means it is nothing but company actually getting into the footage of a direct selling leader. That is not there in Indus Viva. Why? Because company has only one leg. Entire network of Indus Viva is coming under one single leg. Because of that, company will not do any partiality. Otherwise, which leg is weak for company will be focusing more there. But here that issue is not there. The entire business comes under one leg. So every distributor in this company will be getting equal opportunity actually. And another interesting thing is many companies are allowing, directly or indirectly allowing, people to have business interest in more than one distributor ID. People are giving a justification that, sir, in one PAN card, one ID. One PAN card, one ID. Okay, how many IDs? Actually you are getting benefited? 5 IDs, but 5 PAN cards. That doesn't matter. And basically in all the 5 IDs you are only working. One ID is in your father's name, mother's name, sister's name. They are not at all doing anything in the business, but you are only working in all the IDs. So if you look at in a binary plan, if you have a tripod U plus A and B, if all 3 are yours, what will happen? It is like you will be having 4 downlines which you need to give them support directly. It is like they are missing their immediate upline, because the immediate upline is only a virtue upline. There is no real upline. Means you have only grandparent, not your own father. That kind of missing element will be there in that. So at Indus Viva, we are very particular about this particular situation. So we are companies clearly ensuring no distributor will have directly or indirectly benefited from more than one distributorship. That is the reason maximum leadership, and everywhere leadership it is available, and our downlines, our distributors are able to get maximum upline support. So legally you will be able to overcome by using somebody else's PAN card, but morally it is not right. So here that way we are ensuring maximum support for every distributor in the entire network. And another interesting thing is we have a company owned, company operated education system called Vibrant Viva. This Vibrant Viva is the only education system in the company. See, if you look at many companies doesn't have their own education system. That is the reason some good leaders will open an education system for their team. But what will happen? Only their team will be benefited by that. If you are, unfortunately, if you are not falling under that leader's team, you will not be benefited by that particular education system. And of course, leaders have limitation. They will not have enough resources to run an education system effectively. But here in Indus Viva, only one education system, company owned, company operated education system. So every distributor signing up with Indus Viva will get equal amount of leadership education. So that way his success will be guaranteed. If you go to Jammu, if you go to Trivandrum, you will be able to see the same plan presentations, same training, same educational materials, everything will be same. And there is a saying, collective wisdom never fails. It is a collective wisdom. This education system is run by the Distributor Advisory Council members of Indus Viva. Everybody in the system at least have spent 5 years in this company. That way, a collective experience of more than half a century is coming to every distributor associated with this company. And if there is a powerful education system, you can see majority in your distribution network are active. If there is no powerful education system, you can see vast majority of your distributor network is inactive. So that is another beauty of Indus Viva. And I just mentioned about the DAC. Indus Viva's Distributor Advisory Council also is a very unique council. Usually we can see many companies have this DAC, but those DACs are not regularly met. Here the DAC is met every 3 months, and the selection of DAC is very important. It is like the top 10 earners of one particular calendar year only will be taken to the DAC. So otherwise, usually the prevailing practice is once you reach one particular rank, then you will become a permanent member in DAC. It is like Sachin Tendulkar will be still playing for Indian cricket team because nobody has taken that many numbers as Sachin Tendulkar. But here it is not like that. Our DAC is based on the recent 1 year's performance. Based on that only you will be taken to the Distributor Advisory Council. And women also given optimum importance here. 1 out of 10 DAC members. Of course, the jumbo DACs cannot perform again. It is limited to just 10 people. Out of 10, 1 person should be woman. The highest earning woman of one particular calendar year will be taken to DAC. So one more thing, the person who is running the business so ethically, without any complaints, in a very decent manner, in a role model way, he will be considered as, or he will be recognized as the most prestigious award in this company is Viva Icon of the Year. That Viva Icon also will become a member of the Distributor Advisory Council. So that way a unique and perfect selection of DAC is another feather in the crown of Indus Viva. Another interesting thing is Indus Viva is taking, you know that the MLM business originated in America, but till date no Indian company has gone to America to do a network marketing business. Forget about network marketing companies, even companies from other fields also very rarely goes from India to America to do business, because America is the most competitive and the most expensive market for any company to do business. But Indus Viva has gone to America and started our business there, and it is running so successfully there, and it has already won the hearts of many people in America. So that shows that Indus Viva's ability to do business in the most challenging markets in the world. If USA, that is the challenge. In a country like Nepal, when we landed there, the legal framework, the lacunas in the law or government stand towards MLM was the biggest weakness out there. But still, Indus Viva could formally launch our business in Nepal. That shows that our business doesn't have any element of money chain or Ponzi scheme. You see, Indus Viva launched our business in Nepal when MLM business was outrightly banned in Nepal. That time we launched there. Means our business now there is a law there in Nepal. Means our business doesn't have any element of any money chain or Ponzi scheme in it. So Indus Viva is taking this business opportunity successfully to the most challenging markets in the world where other companies are not willing to go. Countries like Nepal, countries like America, now we are going to Africa and other neighboring countries of India. Indus Viva is successfully going there. See, for a company like Indus Viva to go there means we should be able to export our product from India to that country. It is a very challenging thing. It is since it's a product based company, not a money chain thing which can go anywhere so easily. It is not like that. But Indus Viva has successfully done it. In USA, we have an exclusive product manufactured within the US land. So that shows it is not an easy thing for us to reach out other countries. Our company is headquartered in our own building that is called Viva Tower, inaugurated by Anil Kumble, the former Indian cricket captain. Just within 5 years, we could inaugurate our own tower, a huge tower in the prime Jai Mahal location in Bangalore. It is fully occupied by us. It is a matter of high prestige. And still our company is remain as a zero debt company. So financial health of a company is very, very, very important. Otherwise, that can be the only reason, that can be the single reason for a company which is looking so good outside can be collapsed at one point of time. So the point is, Indus Viva is a zero debt company. It will remain as a zero debt company. So that way, Indus Viva's sustainability, Indus Viva cannot go wrong due to any financial reasons. Our company have the best talented employees sitting in every seat. We have our own in-house company secretary, chartered accountants, top IT professionals, top logistics professionals. So we have the tax experts. We have the best people work for very famous companies, very renowned companies are currently working with Indus Viva. So many employees are also considering Indus Viva as their career option. So when we have the right people sitting in the right place, so any good company needs good employees to take it to the greater heights. So we as a company have the vision to become the first listed network marketing company in India. But we are aiming 2024 for that. If everything goes right, in 2024 you will be able to see Indus Viva's shares will be traded in the stock exchanges in 2024. That is our dream, a target which we have kept. See, I have shared all the secrets why Indus Viva is growing so fast to everyone. So because of all these reasons, Indus Viva could attract the best distributors, best direct sellers towards this company. See, if you come to any manager's cabin in Indus Viva headquarters, you can see there is a board placed in front of them stating, whatever decisions I take, I will keep distributors in mind. For Indus Viva, distributors are considered as the most important asset of this company. As you all know that in 2018-19, we have done a turnover of 273 crores. See, a company 273 crores turnover in less than 5 years time. That is first time in the history of Indian MLM industry. Usually I don't look at this turnover and all those things because I don't get motivated by that. But in 2019-20 financial year, means the current financial year, I am sure the commissions for our distributors are more than the last year total turnover of the company. I mean, I am sure we have paid more than 273 crores as commissions to distributors in the current financial year. So that shows Indus Viva how much importance it is giving for our distributors. So dear friends, Indus Viva is different. It is not like any other network marketing company in India. There is no one like Indus Viva. So if you have not yet enrolled with Indus Viva as a distributor, I am inviting you to enroll with Indus Viva. This is the best possible multi-level marketing opportunity available in the country, even for a full-timer or even for a part-timer. All the best.